Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Cork. The time is 20 minutes past 11. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check the overhead bins and the seat pockets in front of you for your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft, and be very careful when opening the overhead bins, as items which may have become displaced during the flight may fall out, causing injury to you or to another passenger. On behalf of your captain, Dennis Kelleher, First Officer Cayman Murphy, and indeed the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. We do hope you've enjoyed